Okay, are we live? Can you, can you reply if you can hear me and see me? Yay, does that mean it's working? I don't know how all this OBS stuff's working. Yee? Anyone else? Okay. I think everything's working now. So, in this live stream, I'm gonna be making Cookie Clicker. So I'm making a video where I've made Cookie Clicker in 10 seconds, and 10 minutes, and 1 hour, and I'm gonna do 10 hours. So I'll switch it. Yeah, so this is what I've got so far. It's a cookie. You can click it. There's particles, there's a number counter. It's pretty laggy, probably because of the live stream. And then shop. And we got the most worst art you could possibly imagine. This is made all in like 1 minute, the art. Look at that mine, it's terrible. But it even works, which is surprising. And there's nothing else at the moment. All of this took an hour. There's no upgrades. There's nothing else. At least it looks kind of good. Okay, the music's loud. I need to turn that off. Sorry. Yeah, so what I want to do is keep working on this so we get a good 1 hour cookie clicker. You can comment your suggestions in the chat. I will try to look at it. Seems like everyone's just replying skibbity toilet at the moment. Oh yeah, the music is loud. Sorry about that. But yeah, comment any ideas you want, and I'll try to add them to this 10-hour cookie clicker. And let's see if we can make it like real cookie clicker. Like, look how many cookies I got. Octodecillions. That's so many. Okay, I better close this. I think it's lagging, I think. So I already used an hour to make this version. And we'll add 9 hours. Oh. It's only 8 hours. Wait. Give me a second. Okay, 9 hours. We're obviously not going to do it all in one stream. Okay. Now, add scrolling to the shop. No clue how to do that. The cat upgrades and milk. The problem with milk is it's got an animation, and I don't really know how to draw that. I want to add the upgrades though. The chat is so annoying to read. So I'm just wait. Okay, so cat upgrades give you more cookies per second. The more milk you have, milk from achievements. We don't have achievements yet. So what I want to do at the moment is maybe like add some upgrades. Because at the moment we've only got shop. We don't have any like cookies or like things that improve these. Add better font for the score. Nah. Say hi to me. Nah. Oh, and there's also golden cookies, which are useless pretty much in this. Okay, so to add more stuff to the shop, I think we could add like cookie upgrades. So plain cookies. So cookie upgrades and cookie clicker give you more cookie per second or something. And cookies should be pretty easy to draw. They're just circles, right? And then I can... Oh, that's a cookie, right? More cookies for more cookies per click. No. Is that a really good cookie? I can't draw if you can't tell by this on the side. Maybe if I add a... Nope, that looks worse. Make the button corners rounded. Okay, that's a good idea, except Scratch doesn't really let you do that. It looks like that. Maybe we could add some like... Whoa, no, that looks worse. Okay. Make better arts. Yeah, I need to learn how to actually draw. I guess we could add choc chip cookies. So at the moment I'm just drawing the costumes. The code will come later. So, choc chip cookies. Oh, wonderful. Can't spell choc. That's not how you do that. How you do what? Okay, choc chip cookies. We could have... Oh! White choc chip cookies. And then guess what? I'll just make the chocolate chips white. Oh. And then... My art skills are incredible. How long is the stream gonna be? A couple hours, I guess. Not 10 hours, but a while. Okay, so the shop system I've made is really overcomplicated and makes no sense. Great. Okay, someone said get Scratch add-ons, it makes it better. Oh, I got Scratch add-ons. Okay, so I guess what we can add is prices for it. And I guess... Because how the shop works is it's just a list of items. So this is item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5. Maybe I could make cookies like item 100 or something. Base. So add. So I can add like some filler things. So repeat. So I'm just trying to make it so we can add cookie upgrades to the shop. Add scroll thing for the upgrades. I actually don't know how to do a scroll bar. And another rule is all the code has to be made in the 10 hours. I can't copy anyone else's stuff. Item. Nope, it's not item, it's length of base prices. Okay, so now it should have 101 items yet. And I need to do the same thing for descriptions. Descriptions. And we need to add descriptions to the cookie upgrades. So the first cookie is going to be a plain cookie. And it's going to be like, boring, but tasty. Another thing can be, the choc chip cookies can be, chocolatey. I like chocolate. Oh. And then that can be 1,000. And then the white chocolate cookies can be the same price, I guess. So, okay, so now we've got some extra items here. That's wrong. Oh dear. What? Now we got some extra items here. And then I need to figure out how to show cookies. So we got shop for buildings. Now I want shop for cookies. So I think we can have this open shop. So buildings. I need a better icon for this. At the moment it's just going to be, yep, squish text. Oh, actually, I think it should be tabs. Wait. Okay, someone said no Skibidi toilet. I'm not adding Skibidi toilet to this, don't worry. So I think what I want is tabs to shop. So we can have buildings and then cookies. These labels are temporary. Okay, can you guys stop saying Skibidi toilet? Oh dear. Ugh. Okay, so I think I can delete all this stuff. And then make this 0, 0. Okay. So these are going to be tabs, so they're going to be up here, like icons up here. And then I guess the cookies tab could be, oh, oops, something like that. And then this button's going to let you buy the cookie upgrades. This button's going to let you buy the buildings, which are like cursors and grandmas. Ah, so much Skibidi in there. Ah. Oh, and also, thanks to 10k subscribers, everyone. Okay, so when I receive open shop, we'll show. When I receive close shop, we hide. Okay, if costume name, if costume name equals cookies, if costume name equals cookies tab, it will switch to the cookies tab. Else if it's a buildings tab, buddings, buildings, and yeah, the costume names match, I think. And then I've got a page system, so page to, I think it's 1, and then I think this is 100. And then also need clones and all that nice stuff. Ugh. Okay, let's create 2 clones. So switch costume to cookies. We want to hide that, show this. Okay, shop. We got 2 tabs. So buildings. Whoops. Now it's just a mix. Okay. That's not good. Okay, I don't know what I've done here. Are we improving the icon, someone asked? Yes. We are going to improve the icons. And also an idea, golden cookies. I do have golden cookies. They're just not terribly good at the moment. The icons are just temporary. So I want to see what the problem is with the shop. Because doesn't look too good. Oh, maybe it should be, wait, 100 over 5? Because each page in the shop has 5 things. Okay. I'll need to clean up all this code. So, switch costume to... Oh, wait. I named this wrong. It should be 100. 102. 103. Okay. Nope. Okay. Page times 5. What's that? 100. Clone ID 5. Okay. Maybe I should just do... Okay, my code's not working, so I use the say block. It's... Oh, I have to get rid of that. Okay, 102, 103, 104, 105. Okay. So, yeah, that's right. 103, 100... Where's the fifth thing? There's only 4 messages there. Have I really broken the code? Oh dear. Wait, there's a Scratch add-on called log. Where is it? Maybe it's debugger. So what this does is it should show a tab here. Maybe it doesn't. I'll just refresh the page. Okay, I need a... Something's not working, so I'm installing an extension to try and get it to work. So debugger, what this does is it lets you log stuff. Wait, what am I looking for? Here. Okay, and then you can go into the console. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's correct. So it's 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Okay, I think what I need to do is make it page 19. I think, actually, no, what I need to do is add more cookies. Okay, so we got plain cookies, choc chip cookies. I think what's wrong is there's not enough upgrades, so it's showing other things which are unrelated. So, 104. So, what other types of cookies are there? There's like... I also need to learn how to draw. So, this cookie can be a donut cookie or something, because I'm Donutask. Okay, so we can get oh, oops. So we can get Nothing happened. Wait. This... My webcam's very stable. I better check that it's... Okay, yeah. Okay. Ignore that. Okay, so... Now we need... frosting. Where's the nice pink color I use? Here. And then we make it bigger. Oh, why is it the wrong... Okay, the Scratch image editor actually sucks. Okay. Look at that. Oh. And then we can put some sprinkles. Oh, my art is terrible. Someone might need to remix this when I release it to make it look actually bearable. Okay. Donut cookies. Okay, donut cookies are that, and then we can have raisin cookies. Someone said, okay, raisin cookies. And now raisin cookies. No clue what these look like. Ah, they can just be choc chip cookies with a different color of chip. Where's nice color? Okay. Oh, those are lovely. They look terrible. Okay. So this can be... I have to order this. This should be 100, not 101, I think. Then 101, 102, 103, 104. Okay. Buildings. Oops, wrong way around. Okay, the buildings tab shows you cookies. The cookies tab shows you buildings. Okay, so you got... Oh, okay, I broke the shop. Okay. So we got plain cookies, choc chip cookies, white choc chip cookies, raisin cookies, and donut cookies. I hate looking at that. That looks terrible. But let's just focus on making it work at the moment. So and we can, the raisin cookies can be raisin cookies. That's great description there. And then the donut cookies can be sub to Donutask. Okay, the descriptions don't show. What? What? Okay, so it's page times 5 plus clone ID. Right, but what? Okay, maybe I should change the way I do page. I think I shouldn't times it by 5. So all this complicated code I've got doesn't seem to work. So I think I can do this. Okay, so it should be page 0. And then okay, shop. Okay, the costumes are still broken. Page plus clone ID. Switch costume to. So wait. white So my thing isn't working. It's saying these are the cookie upgrades. So that's meant to be a donut cookie, but it's showing as a factory. My code is actual garbage. Okay. And then maybe wait, can I join nothing to... Okay. Huh. Oh, golden cookie. Buildings. So buildings, cookies. The descriptions are still wrong. Okay. I think it's 99. I need to do that here then. Okay. Yeah, there we go. And the prices are correct. Now, can you even buy the cookies? I better hide the useless variables I got now. So... Okay, so... We got 10. And now it's increasing in price. It shouldn't do that. So, I need to... Oh, whoa. The chat did not update for a long time. Cute cookie. Grammar army. Unless you make a variable called... Oh, nice, you got it. Oh, funny animator Jim TV. Oh, wow. He's here. Also, my live stream is saying, error, please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Don't know what that means, so I'm just going to ignore it. Hopefully it's not laggy or anything. Well, it seems to be laggy because the chat did not update for a good 5 minutes. Okay, so the cookie upgrades need to be different. They need to be only able to be bought once. Okay. So get price. So someone really wants me to add a cute cookie. Okay, I'll add a cute cookie. So we're gonna have cute cookies. And then they're going to be... Okay. Cute cookies are going to look like this boring brown thing with a... There we go. Cute cookie. And then we can make that $1. Very cute. It's not going to show up in the store yet because I haven't got pages working yet. I need to actually make it so you can buy the cookies. Oh, I need to clean up all this. Okay. So, how the thing needs to work is you can only buy cookie upgrades once. Because they're upgrades. You can only buy upgrades once. So there's this thing I made, a custom block called get price. So, I think if ID is greater than 99, well, let's do 98 just in case. Then if buildings, so if you buy the upgrade, it should make it so you can't buy it again. Then set price to bought. Set price to that. Oh, Oreo cookies? What? Buildings. So buildings are these things. Cookies are these things. So buildings you can buy multiple of, and they'll increase your cookies per second. Okay, it seems to be broken. What? Okay. It's meant to increase your cookies per second, these things. These you can buy one of each cookie, and it'll add like a +1% to your cookies per second. So, and you make it so you can only buy them once. If price equals bought, if it's bought, we'll just stop this script, I guess. You can't buy it again. I'll see if that works. I might hack some cookies in for me. Set cookies to 9999. No. Okay. Huh. Wait. So update prices. Oh. So what's wrong is the lists aren't made properly. So, wait, delete. So what I need to do is add this at the bottom. So separator. That separator block does nothing, it's just so I can see the gaps. So, I need to cheat some cookies in. Okay, cookies. And now, okay, that's still broken. Huh. Okay. I'll add the cookie ideas suggestions later. So, else if cookies is greater than price. That's... Wait. What? So, oh. Okay, so what's the problem is I had a ×5 in there. Okay, someone's saying they're making AI in Scratch. Good work. So shop, cookies. I need hack cookies in. I need like a up, down, left, right, BA or something. Yeah, bought. We bought the plain cookies. Bought them. Bought those. Don't have enough of those. Okay. And now it should hide the you have text. If page plus greater than 99. Okay, and then so okay, so these upgrades should only show the descriptions, then these show how many you own, and when you switch tabs it should update the prices. Wait. Update prices. So I need a broadcast to just do a custom block. So update prices, and then broadcast, update prices. Because otherwise it was showing the wrong things. Okay, yeah. So we can switch tabs. Now when you make it so you can change the pages. Okay, I'm reading a chat. Paprika's brother's swimming mission. I don't know what you mean by that. Okay, hide this list. So, the shops only have a single page at the moment. So you got a page of buildings, a page of cookies. I want to make it so you can scroll. I don't really know how to do a scroll bar. And I set a rule that everything has to be made in the time limit, so I can't copy other people's code. So I'll just have to figure out how to make a scroll bar. Maybe we could just have up and down arrows for the moment. Because I don't think we're going to get that. Yeah, put arrows. Yeah. I guess I'll have to do that. Or maybe you could click each tab to advance the page. How? Okay. So, a scroll bar, surely it can't be that hard. All I need is like a bar. So I'm just gonna wing it. Okay, there's our bar, and then we can have a scroll. The colors are just temporary. Okay, and then when I can have a clone. Okay, scroll bar. Okay, when I start as clone, we can just go. Okay, if touching mouse pointer, we can go to position of. Oh, actually, I think it can be just a hard-coded value like 200 mouse Y, and also need to be and down. Okay, so, oh no, I need to actually make the clone. Create, switch costume to bar, switch costume to BG. Okay, maybe 220. Also needs to be forever. And it also needs to go to front layer. I have no clue what I'm doing for scroll bar. Oh. It's scroll. It is going up. Wait, if to repeat until not. Okay, I think that will work better. Yeah, so we got a scroll bar. Now, how do I calculate the pages? Who knows? Max. So I think we could do like, we have a max pages and a page. Okay, add skibidi toilet. Then I leave chat. No, I'm not adding a skibidi toilet cookie. Okay, so we could do something like set page to mouse Y over max pages. And then we could set max pages to 100. And I could also round the page. Surely this will work, right? It's actually... Okay, it's actually terrible. Wait, so maybe we could do... So mouse Y can be negative. Maybe I could add 180 to it? I've got literally no clue what I'm doing. So 1, 2, 3. So page... It's also the wrong way round. Maybe I should... add... 100. Just for like cookies and stuff. Okay, so we got... 99. So, we can go... Oh, plain cookies? Choc chip cookies? Why is there multiple donut cookies? Okay, I think it breaks when you don't have enough stuff in the shop. So I'll add your ideas. We can have Oreo cookies. Maybe Oreos. So, to make an Oreo, I'll need to make this darker. So, yeah, black. And then we'll also need a cream layer. Brightness. It's just going to be max. And it'll be bluish for some reason. And then we can stretch that front. Okay, that looks terrible. Maybe we can add some like that. Oh, we could add some imperfections to this. Black cookies. No, these are Oreos. Oreos, and then I can write the word Oreo in like a different color. I can't write that small. We can just have a pattern. No, that looks bad. Oh, gradients always make things look better. Usually. You can't even see that. Huh. At least I tried. So this is 106. Cookie. Someone said cookie, so I can copy this. I'm just saying the cookie upgrades actually, I haven't made them work yet. So, they'll need something. Cookies. So this is 107. Do gingerbread man, okay. Gingerbread man. You really overestimate my art skills to be able to draw this properly. Okay, so we need a, let's just color pick a color. Then its little head. Yeah. And then we get like a red thing. Okay, that's too small. Okay, it needs to be brighter. Boop. Boop. And then we can have a smile. Okay, the red eyes look creepy. I might need to look at what a gingerbread man actually looks like. I think we could have different colors here. Wait, I need to look at this. Gingerbread man. Oh, yeah, maybe just white eyes will be better than red eyes staring into your soul. Yeah! Oh, it looks so bad, I can't draw. BFDI cookie? What do I do? for that Undertale cookie. I don't know how you... How am I going to make all those cookies? What's a synagogue cookie? Oh, I'll make my own cookie, actually. 109. We can have a... I need to think of a cookie. We can have a iced Vovo. Okay, so... Get my nice shade of brown. Oh, look at that rectangle. And then I get pink. Where is pink? Pink. Okay, and then we draw a stripe, and then I think I need white there as well. Okay, and then iced vote. I'll show you what it is. These things. I drew it the wrong way round. Okay. It's dark in the middle, light on the outside. Yeah. And then it's got white stuff all over it. Okay, you guys in the chat need to explain what your cookies are. I don't know how I'm gonna draw what you're stating. Well, not like I can draw anyway. So there's the coconut sprinkles or whatever. Okay, 109. And I can make that big actually. Okay. So, max pages can be 110. Oh no, 109 I mean. Okay, so we're on page 99. You can scroll up. Huh? What? Okay, the scroll bar sucks. I don't know how to make a scroll bar. I don't know how to... Huh. I might just have to use page up and down buttons. Because this is not going to work, eh? Okay, so I don't even know where to put a page up and down button. So we can have an up arrow over the top here. Right. Oh. Wait, I need to get rid of all this code. Okay, so it needs to show a uranium cookie, very big cookies, enchanted cookies. Okay, those ideas kind of suck, I'm sorry. Maybe we could put a page button here. So I need to get an arrow up. So 15. Yeah. I got an ad in a live vid. Yeah, I don't know how ads work in live streams. Okay, so there's up, page up, and then we can have... Oh, I need to move it to this correct position. Okay, so boop, boop. Okay, the UI looks terrible. I'll need to figure out how to fix it. So duplicate this. This is page down. page up, page down. I wish I could make the scroll bar work. It just seems to not make sense to me. So I'll copy some code from here. So, blah, blah, blah. Okay. When I start as clone, click. So, custom block. That's so I can make it run without screen refresh so it looks quicker. And then, if equal, if costume name equal scroll up. Then we scroll up. I think we can change page by 5. -5. And then that should be good. Oh, actually, I need to do a couple more clone things. So page down, page up. We need to hide the original sprite, show the clones, blah blah blah. They're always showing. Oh, that's terrible. When I receive open shop, show, hide. The original's still there. Great. I need to move the timer. Blank. Okay, so. And then we'll switch costume to blank afterwards so you can't click stuff. This is all stuff to do with clones. You can ignore all that. Okay. That's broken. Okay, what? Oh, it's page up. Okay. Let's... Yeah. So we go to cookies. We can... Yeah. Probably should be the other way around. Okay. Pet lane cookies. Cute cookies, Oreos, cookies, gingerbread man, ice Vovo. So the way now I need to add some more things to the shop. So I need to add things for the data for the new cookies I added. So very cute. Apparently it's $1. Oreos can be like 400. I'm just gonna skip the descriptions for now. So cookies can be some really expensive thing. Cookieception. Gingerbread man can be please don't eat me. That can be some random numbers. I've given up on the pricing. We'll fix that later, I guess. And then this can be that price. Well, that's not even a number. That can be that price. And then the description can be blank. Okay. So. Shop. You can go to cookies. Yeah. Just don't click it too much, otherwise the shop completely breaks. And I want to test you can still buy stuff. Oh, actually I need to do something. Need to do update prices. And then yeah, the prices look good. Then we can set cookies. Yes, I think we're buying upgrades. Okay. That should be good, I think. The problem is, see how cookies per second? They're not doing anything. So we buy some stuff. The cookies are meant to give you a extra like multiplier. CPS bonus. Okay, we'll just have that there. Oh, gingerbread man can be 200 cookies. Keep it nice and simple. Yep, let's do that. Okay, and then brown cookie, magic cookie, scratch cookie, Minecraft cookie. I'll add cookies later. I want to make them work first. Okay. Oh, almost broke my code. Now, I've got a block here. Calculate CPS. So, so what this thing here does is it loops through everything we own and adds cookies per second. If IDX is greater than 99, else. Okay, so normally it'll just change your cookies per second, but this time it's going to change your bonus. So I've done all this math to make it so you can add more upgrades and buildings and cookies and stuff. This makes it easier to add new stuff without having to break everything. So by base CPS. Okay, and then change set CPS bonus to 0. Wait, it should be not bonus, it should be modifier. Okay, that should start at 1. So you get times 1. Okay, and then later we should set cookies per second to cookies per second times the modifier. And then that should be good. Oh, and it needs to be times buildings. Yeah. So now we can add some new stuff to our base CPS, so base cookies per second. So one was going to be a 1% increase. Actually, no, it's not. It's going to be a 100% increase. We should make it 0.01. Yeah, 0.01. So this will make it 1% extra cookies. Okay, so the basic ones can be like that. This can be plus 10% CPS. And then this can be plus 1. Actually, no, I can use code to add that. Otherwise, I'll be writing that for years. So the cute can add 0.2, so 2%. The gingerbread man can add 1%. Cookieception can add like 5%. I can change all these numbers however I want. That can be 1%. I don't even know what this thing is. It can be 2%. And then what we can do is here we can join. Oh, yeah. Okay. So plus. So then we can have base CPS percent CPS. So, and then we'll have to do some math. We'll have to times it by 100. Ooh. Yes. Like that. Then delete that. And I think my chat has crashed again. YouTube's really saying my stream is got lag. I don't know what that means. Group. Who cares? So, our new shop has... Okay, our new shop doesn't work. I think I have to do this. Base CPS. Base CPS. Cookies. Yay! There we go. Plus 1% CPS. Plus 10% because it's Donutask. And then if I scroll down, 2%, 1%, 5%, 1%, 2%. Good. And now the moment of truth is does that actually work? These variables suck. I want to get rid of them, but I'll just have to keep them for now. Okay, so let's just auto-click this a bit. Huh? Why is it clicking buttons? If I think I might have to do some checks here because it's clicking buttons without me clicking them. What? How? What is it clicking? It's letting you buy stuff without it being visible. That's what I hate about clones in Scratch. They Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. Okay. Okay. Shop tabs. Okay, I think what I need to do is add an extra thing here. If page... Right, I got it here. So if page is greater than -1. So -1 is there is no shop showing. Okay, now I'm not clicking random things. Okay, so... Okay, I got some cookies. Cursor. Nice. We're getting 0.2 cookies a second. Isn't that so insane? And now... Oh dear, I'm getting even more errors in my YouTube. Stream status poor, who cares? Okay, so, cookies. When we get 100 cookies... Actually, no, the cute cookies are 1. Yeah, so now we're getting 0.204 cookies per second. Woo. Cool, and then now we can add a grandma. So, grandmas usually give you 1 cookie per second, but now they're giving us slightly more because you get 2% more cookies. Oh, the art looks so bad. This is the problem, I can't draw. Okay. Are you filming this? Yes. To fix the upgrade issue, detect if the shop is open and if it's not, cancel the purchase. Yeah. That's what I've done. There's no upgrades anymore. So the cookie upgrades work. That's good. Now I want to get rid of some of these variables, so we can have like a cookies per second. Another number counter. So what I could do is just make more clones of this. So we can set clone type to cookies. Cookies CPS. So cookies per second. And then we can do if that, then that. If it equals, so clone type equals cookies, then it will show the cookies, then the other one can show cookies per second. So what this will do is we can have a better number counter instead of this ugly orange box. I hate those. They look so bad. It does require us to copy some code because Scratch. So instead of cookie, we do cookies per second. Get rid of that, and then we won't need that anymore. Well, I'll still show it. And we also need to change this. Okay, so this should be like 130 or something. Yeah, look, we got another number. 110. We can make it smaller as well. Oh. Right. So we can have that. And then that can be normal size. Forgot what that was. So if this can be like 35, make that go up, then we can have a per second. That can just be /s per second. Maybe add an outline. Okay, that looks terrible. Maybe make it fully white. Okay. So I might need to see that lag there. I have to use a custom block. Create clones. Run without screen refresh. So that'll make it run instantly. Boop. And then it should instantly show that. Yeah. I also should move it across. Yeah. And then we won't need all this. Because the cookies per click doesn't go up yet. Uh-oh. Lag. Okay. So, cookies. Yep. Shop. That should probably show decimals or something. Number counter. So, we could divide it. I think what we can do is divide it by 100, round it, then times it by 100. No, I think it's times by 100, then divided by 100. So, like that. Yeah, 0.1. Oh, what? The spacing for the point is... it's very big. So I think if... Okay, so the chat is broken again. My mouse isn't moving. Okay, yeah, so what I want to do is make it so you can see decimals in your cookies per second, because you don't have to have a full amount of cookies per second. But the problem with decimals is that point is too wide. So costume, if costume name equals point, then we can make it like much less spacing. Okay, that doesn't work because it doesn't move the next number across. What? Okay, that won't work well. Maybe we could... I don't know what to do about that. I think maybe the spacing was just too big in general. I'll just give us more cookies, so we can buy more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the golden cookies need to go to the front. Actually, no, I think that looks good. I think the spacing was just in general too wide. Okay, these need to be named. Shop pages. Okay, golden cookie, this thing needs to go to front layer. I'll work on golden cookie later. Now something I want to do is add particles for when you click the cookie. Because, like, you get the falling cookies. Oh, okay. So what is the point of multiplying by 100 then dividing by 100? That is the same result. So you it's to round it to 2 decimal places. Oh, golden cookie. So it'll times it by 100, which will add some, which will make it... I actually don't really know. But it does round it to 2 decimal places. So we don't, because Scratch often just adds a bunch of random decimal places for no reason. Like, if we buy a cookie, like, usually it would be a bunch of random stuff. Because division adds so many decimal places. The round and then times by 100 makes sure it's only 2. Okay, those icons need to work, but who cares? What I want to do now is the particles. I don't quite know how to do that. I think maybe I could copy the number counter and then new number particles. I don't think I can do clones with this. So we'll have to... Okay, so particle X, particle Y, set particle X, Y. So what I want to try and do here, what I'm trying to do, is have numbers pop up when you click the cookie. Problem is, you can when we want to upgrade the cookies per click, we'll have to have a whole lot of costumes for each amount of cookies. So I want to do clones, so we can do any number, but it's easy for these because they're always in the same spot. These, I want the numbers to rise and fade out. So I want it to go to particle Y and then add this to particle X. Wait, particle X. And then when I start as clone, so I think we want to broadcast. So what is it called? Number particles. We can set particle X and particle Y to the mouse position. And then we don't want this. And we want to change particle X and particle Y. Particle... Well, no, we want to change particle Y. And then change ghost effect. Ghost effect by 10. And we can just make this repeat 10 times. Maybe like 20. We can do 5. And then delete this clone. Yeah, so I see all the cookie suggestions. We'll add some more cookies later. I want to add the particles at the moment. So, set ghost effect to 0. I think that's so you can see it, I think. And then we can add this. Repeat length. Oh no, it needs to be cookies per click. Round cookies that like that. I want to try and test this. So broadcast number particles. Okay, maybe we'll need to do some more work here. And nothing's happening. So I want to go to front layer, I guess. Okay, that works. Huh, nice. I also want a plus, I guess. Plus. Skibbity toilet? No. Stop with the skibbity. You guys, is there anything else you can think about these days? Kids these days. We also want a plus. So I think what we can do is I think we can just add that. We just add a number plus, the plus symbol to the start. I think it's treating it as a number. So if I add a string, why is it not plussing? Okay, probably is because I named it dumb. Okay, plus. There. And now we want to make the size smaller because that looks way too big. Okay, and then change particle Y by 5. Maybe 4. And then I also want to change the brightness to be so it's white. Oh, excuse me. Brightness to 100. And that makes it white. Now I want to see if you can spam click. You cannot spam click. It is lagging. And also it looks bad. Okay. Maybe I need to put this in a custom block. So, oh, we already got a create clones block here. Oh, I don't want to create clones at the start. Okay. Okay, it looks like we're getting extra plus symbols for some reason. That's not right. Maybe I should show afterwards? So... maybe... oh, maybe number particles we can just instantly delete the clones. So... see how the delete this clone block? You can't add it, like, in the middle? If you just add something that's always true, like if 1 equals 1, then that will always run, and you can't delete something that's not a clone. So I'll only delete this clone. Yeah, see how we only get 1 number? I want to add multiple numbers, but that's just gonna break Scratch. Okay, what's in the comments? COVID-19. Is that still a demonetized word on YouTube? Random emojis. I am leaving. Oh, bye. You have COVID. Oh, is it because I sneezed once? Oh, dear. Okay. I think I can hide this. Yeah, that's better. Oh, it's so laggy. Surely it's just because I'm streaming. Okay. I'm gonna get a drink of water. Stay hydrated. Okay. And on the topic of particles, let's add even more particles. So like, click particles. So in Cookie Clicker, why don't I just bring up Cookie Clicker? In Cookie, oh, go on Cookie. That gave me frenzy. 0 times 7 is still 0. Yeah, so now we're getting 0 times 0.7 cookies. But what I was going to show you is in Cookie Clicker, if I turn on my particles, wherever they are, see the little particles when they're like cookies when you click the cookie? I want to add those. So they go up. So they go up, go down, and again, and they rotate, and they fade out. Also, I got so many cookies, like, no need of, not flexing or anything, but it's a lot of cookies. Okay, mini, so, wait, what is, I spelt gravity wrong. Gravity. So, get rid of that. Create clone of mini click particles. There we go. I'll add all the particles over up here. Okay, so I need to rename the sprite. Okay, so when I start as clone, needs to go to where is mouse X and mouse Y? Here. So go to mouse X, go to mouse Y. Probably should go to front layer instead of back layer. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this. There's a little cookie up there. Now I want it to also start going up, then down. So, mini click particles. So, I should also start at gravity to 5. Oh, 0, I mean. Oh, do you see this? Yeah. Okay, it's going up. Now I also want it to fade out quicker. Change ghost effect by 5. Maybe Y position less than 100. Four. Maybe repeat. I need to change this to repeat 10 or something. So delete this clone after. So like maybe 30. Okay, 30's too long. 20. And then change ghost effect by 5. Okay, that's not good. Huh. Okay, what if I want the particles to look good? So, what I'm gonna do is repeat until gravity is like less than. Okay, so repeat until particles take a while. It's like a lot of trial and error. So gravity is less than -10. And then if gravity is less than 0, then we'll change the ghost effect by a number. Oh, it is so laggy. Is it, Oh, whoa, the scratch log is giving you errors. I didn't know it could do that. But it gives you a performance chart. It's, we're at a full 1 FPS. We might measure it in seconds per frame soon. Okay. Oh no. It is so... Okay, maybe if I'm not streaming it'll be less laggy. I got nothing else open. Oh dear. I want to open Task Manager. How much is... Okay, so... all the memory is being used by Firefox. Great. Wait, I need, clone. Okay, so... it creates a lot of clones. I think maybe that's the problem. Okay, it also could be all this, all this. So, this Scratch add-on, it shows you all the scripts that are running. That's a lot of scripts. So, the particles are just going to be a bit laggy for the moment. Maybe if I stop streaming and give it, like, all the RAM in the world. I also want these things to have a bit of variance, so we start at different spots, so plus -5 to 5. So it doesn't spawn in the same spot. Also, those golden cookies look terrible. Okay, so in the chat, someone's saying, "Will you be my Valentine?" No. Yo, you're my fave scratch YouTuber, and you have been for the past 8 months. Love your channel. Oh, thank you. Oh dear, I might have to start using the report chat button. I've got so many settings on this. You can't see it, but got the options to put user in timeout. If you keep going, guys, I got the button. And I think also want to move a step. Yeah, so the move step blocks, it takes into account rotation. So that should be good. Okay, so we got really crappy particles. We got really crappy cookies. Oh, they look so bad. Oh, golden cookie. What I want to do is add upgrades. So, like, we can upgrade the cursors to be more effective. So, like, at the moment, it's 0.1 cookies per second. 0.1! You have to wait 10 seconds for a cookie. Upgrades will make it so it's twice as efficient and all that sort of stuff. Okay, the problem is, I'll have to start, adding more numbers and stuff. So, like, 200, I think. Yeah. So this can be a cursor upgrade. I forgot what they're called. I think it's like 1,000 fingers. Okay, so 1,000 fingers. We can use my... Okay, I might have to redraw the cursor real quick. So I can't use that as the upgrade icon. So, cursor. We can have that. We can have that. And then... like that. And then that. Boom, boom. And then make the icon thicker. The outline thicker. Okay, then send that to the back. Okay, you shouldn't have a whole line in the middle. So I might just draw over it, pretend it doesn't exist. Actually, like this. Brightness up. That did nothing. Brightness up. Okay. And then we can thickness up. Okay, pretend that looks good. Oh, that's so noticeable. I just want to cover the line in the middle. Okay, now it looks like someone's eaten the cursor. I think that looks somewhat better than this. Well, it actually doesn't though. I think I might want to increase the outline. Okay, maybe get rid of all that garbage in the middle. Maybe we could add a shadow. Shadows make everything look better. So we can move it across. We can make the fill. Translucent. I've learnt you can do that with Scratch add-ons. One of the best things there is. Okay. Then we can... Whew. Look at that. Okay. Shadow. I keep getting messages. I'm not bothering to check them though. I hope you can't hear the ringtone. Okay. Cursor. And now we can copy paste the cursor into our 200th upgrade. Well, not 200th, like ID 200. And we can make that smaller. So 1,000 fingers. Okay, 1,000 fingers makes each cursor you got. Wait, no. Each other building that isn't a cursor, it makes the cursors more effective. I'll just go to the shop and start working on it. Okay. Whoop. So I just need to copy paste this. There we go. I think it needs to be 199. And now we can... So... what this is going to be is we have to spend $100 and then the description is going to be plus 0.1 cookies per non-cursor building. And then we won't have to worry about base CPS, I don't think. And then, base CPS can be like -1. Okay, the chat's broken again. It keeps not working. You can't see it, but it's just not updating. I clicked something. So, to make upgrades work, they're going to be different to the cookie upgrades, slightly, as in they're going to do different things for each upgrade. So I'll have to... upgrade effects. Okay, so if equals, maybe I could do, okay, so there's all these lists and I got this list for CPS modifier, so it will multiply the cookies per second for each type of building for like cursors, grammars, etc. depending on this number. So if I make this number bigger, we'll get more cookies per second. So I think we can do item buildings. It's not even buildings. It's like, so item 200 is going to be the fans and fingers upgrade. Oh, okay. Chat's updated again. So there's more cookie ideas. Good. I'll add those later. So your Steam. What about your Steam game? When is it coming out? I'm working on YouTube stuff at the moment, so I haven't really had too much time to like code it. It is coming along together though. Just be patient. Add the golden cookie if you did not already. There are golden cookies, they're just not the greatest at the moment. Okay. And we want to replace items of CPS modifier with equals 1. Then, oh dear. So we'll have to count all the buildings that aren't cursors. So temp, we'll have to have a temporary variable. And then we'll have to loop through every building we got. So I think I can just copy, paste this. Repeat. Like 10 times, that'll be good enough. Okay, so boom. Chain. So we need to count all the buildings that aren't cursors. So temp by item IDX, so index of buildings. So it'll just count. And then we can get temp place item 1. My PayPal won't let me donate. Do I even have donations on the stream enabled? Wait, am I missing out on free money? Okay, I don't know how to set that up. Oh, monetization. Oh, you can change the mid-rolls. Huh. I could just add ad breaks if I want. So I want to replace it with temp. Oh. But the temp's going to be times 100. No, not times 100, times 0.1. And then it's going to have to be 1 plus that. Okay. I think we can do upgrade effects before we update the prices. This code is a mess. Okay, I want to set this to the broadcast. Okay. Oh, I don't want to do that. I want to put this block before we calculate the cookies per second, which is over somewhere. Reset, no. Where's the script? Oh. Wait. When I receive there's a griff patch add-on here. Find? And a define bar. Yeah. So, recalc. I need to find where this is. It's here, okay. Okay. So now, what upgrade effects does is if we own the upgrade, which is the only upgrade we got is this, then we will count every building that isn't a cursor and then give you that as a production multiplier on the cursor. Let's see if that works. Upgrades aren't in the thing yet. Okay. Huh. Okay, I might need to work on that. So, the shop tabs. So, buildings tab. We can make. Well, let's draw a little store. So, we can have a like that. We can, like the red and white shop thing. Oh, that looks awful. I need to learn how to draw. This is actually embarrassing. And maybe this could be in toggle shop instead of a building icon. So where is it? There. Group. Okay. Oh, look how that looks. That looks bad. Wait. Okay, shop icon. Huh. We could... Maybe I could add like a little outline. To make it look a bit less bad. Also stop this. Okay, that doesn't look better. No, maybe if I make straighter outlines. Like, if I do this. And then move everything so it actually fits. Oh. Why is it so hard to draw? Yo, there's a Val channel member in the chat with a golden donut. Oh. Oh dear. Why is a Geometry Dash reference in here now? Okay, the black outline looks terrible. Donutask needs to take art lessons. Boom. You know what? This can be our shop anyway. Maybe if I make it look a little less wonky, it will do. We could even make it a different color of brown. Okay, shop. Boom. Ban Leafy. Who is... Maybe I should ban everyone else. Since I can't draw, I'm just gonna make a button that says upgrades. Actually, no, I can draw an arrow. Arrows are easy. So it's a triangle with a line. Upgrade. Okay, let's bump that up. Oh, that doesn't look half bad. Buildings tab, we can just put a... Maybe I can redraw one of these icons and just put it at the front. So maybe not a farm. Hey, factory. I can draw a factory better than that. We draw a rectangle. Then we draw another rectangle. And another rectangle. And another rectangle. Yeah, that's better, I think. Right. Okay, they're usually sloped roof or something. Huh. We can add a sloped roof by deleting a point in the triangle. Oh wow, that looks terrible. Three sloped triangles and a pipe. Sure. I can do that. Oh! Beauty! And then we can make it red or something even. Oh, that's not gonna look good. That's not, yeah, that's... Oh dear, no, I've ruined it. I'll just steal the color they're using. Wait, where's my color picker? Here we go. And then can copy it and then paste it. I feel like somehow I've made it look even worse. I can't draw. Why is this so hard? Okay. Group. We can delete that. Yeah, that's alright. And we can make that the icon for buildings. Wait, where did it paste? Over there, wow. That's the icon for buildings. Cookies, we can use one of the cookies that looks alright here. I feel like the chocolate chips just look bad. Maybe if I make a better looking chocolate chip. Yeah. If I just make the chocolate chips look a little better. And maybe if I add a little gradient. We can... Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh dear, that looks worse. The inside can be... Yeah, that's a cookie. Yeah, that's... Okay, the cookie icon can be the cookie that I didn't draw. That's the only thing that looks good in this game. I reckon the next Don't Ask video should be I took art lessons. Okay. So, need another tab. Upgrades tab. Clean up. Okay, upgrades. Tab. Set page to 199. Hide the temp variable, that doesn't need to be there. Okay, we'll need to make the icons a bit smaller. Okay. So we'll need to move So I'm just resizing everything so it looks better and fits. That would help. Okay, so now I need to make a box around there. Group. Upgrade icon. And then move that. Okay, we can move cookies up. I'm just arranging them now. Yeah, and then we can move upgrades up. And then we could move the shop tab. Wait, no, not shop tab. Shop pages. We can move those down slightly. It looks alright. And since we don't have enough upgrades, it's only going to show... Oh dear. It's only going to show one upgrade, and there's an error. It shouldn't show plus CPS. So go to shop. I need a drink. Oh. Oh, someone's asked, is this going to be a video? Yep. Someone's spamming. Okay, good. They're both the same cookie. I can't tell the difference. Yep, my art is impeccable. Okay. So the problem is, I need. So what I need to do is, if it's greater than 199. I think it's that. It's just going to say the description. Yeah. And then, I should also just have a blank box, so there's no errors and stuff. So a blank box is just going to be empty. And then if, we'll have to get an if here. So if page plus clone ID is greater than length of buildings, we're gonna switch the costume to, is it called blank? Blank. Okay. Huh. That's not good. What? They're all blank now. I did it the wrong way round. Just ignore that. Okay, good. So now it won't show random upgrades. It'll only show those. Okay. Okay, so, game looks nice so far. Thank you. Hi, I love your vids. Thank you. Say wabba wabba wabba. Okay. You guys are weird. Something I want to do here is if price equals blank, then hide. So we get rid of variables that aren't. We'll hide the orange boxes for non-existent upgrades because that looks ugly. Okay, so 3. Oh, I need to move some stuff. Okay. Give me a sec. Boop. Boop. Okay, so what this is gonna do is gonna hide the orange boxes that we don't need. Yeah, so these are just blank boxes now. Okay, we might need to show. I didn't think about showing them again. Wait. So I'll just have to copy paste some bunch of code. I can't do it in a smart way because I need the variables to be shown, like, to get the display, because otherwise I'll use too many clones. If I used if I used like a fancy number counter, it would use too many clones and would reach the clone limit. And if I used a pen engine, I don't know how to make those, and I'm not allowed to use code that I haven't made in this video. Okay, so show variable 5. Okay, so shows again, hides again, perfect. Now, let's give myself a bunch of cookies. Buy that. Bought. Now what it should do is when we buy a cursor, okay, that's a problem. I need to check what the shop is doing. Because it doesn't seem like we're calculating our cookies per second, eh? Okay. Where's the buy thing gone? Recalculate CPS. So we should have 10 buildings. .1. Why is it not? Oh, is it oh, CPS modifies 0, okay. Do I have a negative? Oh, okay, I know what I've done. So I've made a oopsie. Okay. So the upgrades shouldn't be treated as cookies. I think that's what the issue is. Yeah, there we go. So I can hide. No, I'll show those. Now if I buy other things, that's broken. Okay. See how the CPS modifier is going up? Shouldn't go up that much. We're getting quite a lot for grammars. Oh, this Donutask guy is pretty. Chat's bad. This Donutask guy is pretty cool. I don't know how to show like super chats and stuff on the screen. Haven't figured that one out yet. But thank you so much. Okay. Problem here? Why are we getting so many upgrades? So much stuff. Okay. Oh, here's the problem. We need to reset the temporary variable we got. Yeah, now it's proper. So before it was keep adding on and on and on. Now it's doing an appropriate amount of extra cookies. So, oh, I think we can hide those lists now. Donations. Donations. Someone's also said, I'm a fan. I've never been on a stream before. That's because I've only done one stream before this. And that was a while ago. I'm thinking of doing some more streams, maybe. I don't know. I'm not very good at them, as you can tell. Okay, yeah, so 1,000 fingers. There's our first upgrade. Now, let's add some more upgrades. Think of it as million fingers. And we can also add, like, tiers, you know? So tiers, in Cookie Clicker there are different colors. So we can have, I think it's blue, then pink, blue then pink. So we got 1,000 fingers, million fingers. Oh. Then we can have billion fingers. And I think this is what the click upgrades are called. And then we can have, guess what? Trillion fingers. And I think the tier after that can be orange. I think it's orange. Oh, and that needs to be 202, 203. Now this can be 204. What's after trillion? Oh, it's quadrillion fingers. I think I should just be able to copy the logic for the first upgrade a million times. And now this tier can be a nice shade of purple. Okay. Time 10 effect on 1,000 fingers. I think that's what the... Well, I can just open Cookie Clicker and check. Stay hydrated. Okay, so if we open up my Cookie Clicker, it's... Oh, there's different types. Forgot about that. So 1,000 fingers. Oh, it multiplies it by 5, then 10, then 20 after that. Okay. And it just says clickety, clickety, clickety. Give me your cookie clicker copy or else. Nah. Okay, so times times 10. Then it's times 15. Then it's times 20, and we can make... Oh, I can just add zeros, right? I can't be bothered to balance prices yet. That can be later. Okay. Yeah. And now you could buy this upgrade before that. That's a problem because it in Cookie Clicker, if I open that up again, like the upgrades, when you buy one, I'll just buy one, they move across. But in Scratch, it's a bit harder to do. So it's just gonna stay there and maybe and just say you can't buy it anymore. I could maybe do like locked, like you have to have a certain amount of money to unlock it, and just say the word locked there. But hiding things and then showing them might be a bit hard. Yeah. Need to figure out how to make the effects bigger as well. Set temp to temp times I think it's 5, and then 202 10 203 15 204 20. Okay, so that should make all our upgrades, all these finger upgrades work. CPS modifier can be hidden, I think. Okay. Now, do we need to test that? Yes. Can I be bothered? No. We've only got 6 hours and 50 minutes left for this 10-hour cookie clicker. We might run out of time. Now I want to make a cookie clicker clone in Scratch now. You can if you want. They're not terribly hard to do. I also have a tutorial on my channel, by the way. Okay. So I want the shop tab. So shop tab, I want to have tooltips. Okay, maybe think. Okay, so tooltips are just going to be the costume name, and then I'll have to update all these. Yeah, there's our golden cookie. Okay, it's saying costume number. It's my costume name. Nope, didn't change name. Buildings, cookies, upgrades. Okay, I want... Okay, hear that pop sound? I want actual clicking sounds. So, We need to upload some sounds. We could record sounds, maybe? Wait, no, I want tabs. Because, we could just edit this. Yeah, that'll work. So when I want sound effects, because I always neglect sound effects. It is so laggy. How? It's a scratch game. I might actually have to use Turbo Warp to test this. Is there something wrong with this? The tabs aren't working anymore. Oh no, they are. Good. Okay, the shop pages can have the same sound effect. So that's just using finger snap, and then speeding it up. And then it just makes it sound effects always make everything better. Okay. We can change the pitch. I got an idea. Set the pitch effect. So, I think 1, and then we can have -1. Oh, for lag. Do you feel that lag? What have I done? Oh dear. I might have to do a lag mode or something. Right, okay, lag mode. So if, just so I can use this thing, if lag mode equals 0, there we go. So we can, so what this is going to do, we can have it on, lag mode can be on 0, so there's no particles. Oh, so there's everything, all 1, and there's nothing. It's still laggy. Okay, I guess I just can't use full screen. Okay. Oh, now the chat updated. It's a slow-mo feature. It's only a feature, yeah. It's so you take your time and enjoy the game, you know? Okay, that golden cookie needs a sound effect. It needs like ching or something. I think there's a symbol or something. Oh, Titanic fudge. Whoa. The Big T Fudge, creator of I Love Donutask. That sounds terrible. I want like a ching. So like a coin. Ding, yeah, this... That's good. And then, start sound collect. Oh! Thanks, Ben's Game Cave. Please say happy B-Day, Ben. Just did. Thanks for the $20. Ah. Okay. Cookies. Okay. So I want to actually play the game, which is a bit hard with all the lag. Like, if I get you the FPS here, we're getting seconds per frame, not frames per second. So maybe if I close Cookie Clicker, this one, and I try and use this debugger to get rid of some things we don't need. Feel like what we could do is use some smart stuff to make it so we don't have all of this all the time. So I think we can we can maybe get rid of the fancy sizing in favor of this. Okay, that doesn't... Oh, I need to actually call it. So instead of looping it, doing once every second, like a million times, it's 30 times a second, because Scratch is at 30 FPS. We can do it every time we click. And instead of doing this, which should make it a bit less laggy, hopefully. It's now just 10 times a second. Wait. Okay. So, I think also the numbers need to be a bit closer together. I'm not even sure if that's fast or anything. So, what I kind of want to do now is I guess we need the other page of buildings. So those are missing. Okay, so after factory, I think it's banks or something. So bank. So bank can be... What does a bank look like? I reckon I can draw this. So, very well. Okay. So... we get that triangle thing. We get a pillar. We get another pillar. We get a floor. Can we maybe make the pillars a little less outliney? We got our bank. it's wait. Okay, maybe we could put like a little money on it. $5. So we got $1 bill. Yeah. So then we... and we get this. And we get a bigger outline. So it is... yeah, sure. Scratch is actual garbage for editing images. So backwards. Okay, and then the color needs to be... like, I want the dark chocolate color. And then the floor can be that, but darker, and get rid of the annoying outline. Okay, and then... like that. That's a shadow. And then I'm gonna really try here to make it not look garbage. This is the one mission. Make it not look garbage. Oh, shadow. And then the pillars could have like little lighter bits. Okay. Stop the script so it's not lagging. Backwards. Oh! Titanic Fudge now got a golden donut. Thank you for being a channel member. I should live stream more often. I just get everyone joins. Okay, so that should make the pillars look less garbage. Like, give them texture and blah, blah, blah. Okay. We also need to send these backward a bit. And that bottom bit we can maybe make a little bezel, using fancy words there. Make this bit... Oh, bye Ben's cave. Ben's game cave. See ya. Okay, that bank is me really trying hard to not make something look bad. It still looks terrible. Okay, next after bank is... I think it was like temple or something. Bye! And I think a temple should be really easy, because it's just, the way it is in Cookie Clicker at least, is it's that, then you get that, then you get that, and it looks terrible, okay. And I think we can have a tall bit at the top. Yeah. If you really stretch, if you stretch your imagination a bit. I honestly thought that's what it looked like. Yeah, it is. It is. Maybe the top bit doesn't have to be... I think maybe they're just too uneven. Oh, someone said hi. Hello. Okay. Okay, maybe we need a... Maybe we need some outlines. That will do it. I could have just added an outline using like the normal scratch tool, couldn't I? Oh. Oh. Val, $69. That's pretty nice. How long can I make my dono before Donutask won't read it out? Like, if he just kept typing, would he read the whole thing? I don't know. It would be kind of funny if he did. Unfortunately, the truth is he probably won't read this far, and if he does, then that's funny. Can you please stop spending your money on me? Ah! I think you should have made it longer. That was too short. Like, put a whole English essay in there or something. Oh, I forgot I even added the Donutask emojis. But speaking of Donutask, he's not very good at drawing. He's honestly trying so hard to make this not look garbage. but is failing miserably. Looks more like a chocolate cake. But we'll just, yep, that's gonna be it. Maybe I can do something really easy to draw. Okay, select everything. The last up the okay, so I think I need 10 to fit on the pages. So the last upgrade is going to be you. I'm not going to add all 20 buildings, that's going to take too long. So you and you, it's going to be pretty easy to draw. I just like draw like an arrow towards you. Right. How do you draw an arrow pointing out at the screen towards you? Okay, so I'll maybe I'll do the icons later. Prism. So the prism, I'm skipping a bunch of buildings in Cookie Clicker. The prism's just a triangle that reflects light, turns light into cookies. So if I get like that, so light, it's gonna be so light goes in there. Oh, I hate Scratch. Light goes in there. More light comes out there. I don't even know how prism works. Learn about prisms and science. Forgot. Oh, can't draw. Maybe if I draw them closer together. Okay, I'll just show you what it actually looks like. It actually almost got what I was saying. Okay, it's meant to look like that. Maybe I can redraw that later. Right now, I'm gonna see if I can move this clock, get OBS up, switch it to the Okay, I'm back. Okay. I'll draw the cookie clicker prism better. So... So we extend that. So it's more like something like that. Yeah. Now I'll just draw the colors better. Also forgot the color orange existing. Oh dear. Okay, so we draw orange. And then we can have some like white sparkles. Because that's what the thing looks like. Maybe different size. I hate Scratch. It just reset the color on me. What's up, Donut? Going well? Ah! Just reset the color on me again. Thank you, Scratch. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Those need to be brighter to look like light. Okay, maybe I put it on the other side. Okay. And then the prism needs to be 3D. So to do that, put an outline on it, which is going to be the blue, but darker. And now, click this. And then we can draw a triangle on top of the triangle. And then if we color it in differently, oh great, the real Donutask live in the flesh. Yes, I am the real Donutask. Okay, so this side needs to be darker. And then I can conceal that with a line. Yeah, that's darker, and then this side can be lighter. Oh, I need to extend it. Okay, and then I draw with like max brightness over here. Oh. Wait. And then I draw a line here. And it looks 3D. Oh, Thomas. Hello. Oh, we're getting donuts in the chat. behind the scenes. These are the scenes. Okay, maybe, yeah, I heard someone say use the line tool. Probably should just use the line tool. There. Okay. So 10. And now we get orange. Yep. Yellow. Green. Blue. I know the rainbow, guys. And then purple. Don't care about indigo and violets, just purple. Okay, then we go backward a couple layers. For some reason, the orange is not going backwards. And then we need to delete that line. Maybe move these all across. Rotate them a little, perhaps. Maybe make the outlines a bit skinnier. I might need to work on this a bit more. Wait. Make them a bit more skinnier and move them just closer together towards the middle. Okay. That is the best prism I've ever seen. I really tried hard to make this, but I got that. Okay, and then we can have a... So in Cookie Clicker there's a JavaScript console. It hacks JavaScript, the code the game was written in, to make cookies. Maybe we could get like a Scratch cat. Because this is made in Scratch, not JavaScript. Well, if you can't tell. Donut, on a rate to 1 to 10, how do you feel RN? Like 1. My art sucks. Started at 902 or something. Don't know what that means. Chat's dead for now, lol. Did I kill it? Okay, Scratch Cat. All we have to do... This is the easiest thing I can possibly do. I just get the cat. And then... I copy the cat. Yep. And then... I paste the cat and resize it. Perfect art. Oh, for the U, I could do like the face thing. Like, you know the wait. Oh. There's a Scratch extension. Art looking beautiful. Video sensing. You can turn video on. Yeah. I could have you yourself as the thing for the U upgrade. If I can figure out that. Oh, Thomas Pullman, 2545. Ooh. Keep up the great work. Don't spend it all at once. Buy yourself something nice. Thank you so much. Oh, someone said, wait, didn't he say, like, no copy pasting art or something? Scratch cat doesn't count. um, thank you for all the donations, guys. Like, you don't have to. It's whatever. You can keep your money. But okay. Slight problem with the video sensing. It's either the whole screen or nothing. So I can't really just put in a box. I think I might abandon that. So I really wanted you to be the icon for you, but I guess I could just do what Cookie Clicker does, which is a dark silhouette. And it's just 2 eyeballs. And they're glowing or something. Wait. I could. Do that and then it's got a border of like cookies or something. The cookie clicker icon. Okra 69. Oh, $6.09. That's pretty nice. Thank you. Oh. This one live stream actually might make more money than all the than most of my videos. Oh. Okay. The Scratch image editor is lagging like crazy. I don't think it likes me copy pasting this cookie. Okay. It is lagging right now. But also looks terrible. I might just I'll show you what it is. And it's got like cookies or something. But I got most of it. Okay, and now I can get now I can add some more things. So I can adjust all these. So this can be 15. This can be 90. Maybe this can be like 6,000. Then this can be 15. 50,000. And then okay, so the next one is makes cookies off interest. Okay, what happened in the 2 hours or 4 hours I wasn't there? Okay, so I started with a cookie clicker I made in 1 hour, and now I'm making now it's the 10-hour challenge. So I got 9 extra hours to add as much as I want to Cookie Clicker. And so that's what I've been doing. So I've added like particles and more things to the shop, upgrades, cookies, all that good stuff. Also spell interest wrong. Interest. Okay, so this can be 100,000, and it can be 200 cookies per second. Even better, 300 cookies per second. I think it's still spelled wrong. The next one was it turn light into cookies? Oh, temple. Okay, the temple one is actually the most mid one I could have chosen. Maybe I should just redesign it to be one of the other ones. So cookie click. Oh, actually no, I've got the wiki open here. Okay. Does it not show you the icons? Oh, no, see. Oh, here. Well, we could do portals. Yeah, portals. Because I'm not keeping that one in. That thing looks ugly. Everyone's just spamming hearts. Okay, so. The portal, that can be red with an outline of like a brownish red. This is fancy. Can even add some wobbles to it so it's not a perfect circle and looks somewhat decent. And then for this we can use a gradient and make the outside edges a bit darker. Ooh. Then we can do what Cookie Clicker does and have like a mini portal down here. I think. Yeah. Something like that. And then wait, you're still live? Yes. I've got nothing better to do today. We can have a swirl. Ah, Scratch actually sucks. I should just not do it in Scratch. Keeps messing up my set. Oh! Didn't want to select that. Okay. What? Okay. Oh yeah, so what am I making now? I'm just adding some more buildings. So, I'm adding a portal here with my incredible art skills. Oh dear. It's meant to be that swirly. Oh, I'll show you. It's meant to be the, what? I'll copy the image link. I got an extension there, so it's meant to be the swirly thing. Yeah, that doesn't look good. I think maybe I can do a... Maybe delete the cookie and paste it back in later so it's less laggy to edit. There, maybe that will work. Thank you. That looks a little bit better. Okay. Donutask, I have to go, but keep up the good work. Game looks great. Bye. Thank you for the support. Okay. I think deleting the cookie and adding it back in later actually worked. Okay. So this is the code to make the things. To make the things. So opens our door to the cookie-verse. I think it's one word. And it's capitalized. Okay, that can be... Oh. That can be this price. Oh, I knocked my camera. But we add like a 6 to the... Maybe we add a 9 to it. The base cookies per second is 900. I think the next one's turns lights into cookies. I'm just getting like 10 of the buildings, which is half of the 20. Add shadows to the cookie. It looks so out of place. Like which cookie? The big cookie? I could do that, yeah. Turns light itself into cookies. I think that it's more expensive. And then this can be 3,000. And then we have hacks in more cookies. Edits the very code of this game to hack in more cookies. Why isn't the chat working for me? Seems like it's working for you. Hi, have I seen you somewhere? Probably. I've got a YouTube channel. It's got videos. So what was it? So it's Prism, Scratch Cat, U. Yeah. More of you to make more cookies. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. $10,000, I think. And this can just be so many cookies. Okay. Does any of this work? Wait, buildings down. Yeah, so the things are going up. The prices are just random, who cares? We'll have to test it later to see if it works. I'm gonna do a suggestion instead and add a shadow to the cookie. So I think we can do a clone and then make it just a circle. I don't want gradient. And then if we shrink the circle, wow, we got a shadow. And then we could have a well, maybe the shadow can be a different sprite. Wait, give me a sec. There. And all it can do is forever go to the cookie. Go to cookie. Change X and Y. Then go to back layer. Go to back layer and then also set size to. I think we can use thing of thing. Change stage to cookie and get size. And that should be -5. 5? Okay, we need a bit of a better... we're here to encourage Donutask. Wait, where's the shadow? Is it there? Okay, it's subtle. Maybe I can make it like 90%, oh, 15%. Okay, it's, no, that doesn't look right. I think we have to make it end at that. But maybe we could erase a hole. And then... no, that doesn't work. Maybe we just show more of the shadow. Yeah, I hope that shadow looks alright. It's there. Oh, golden cookie. Oh, we got 7 cookies. Okay, and let's do the testing now. I got lag mode to 1. If I change it to 0, we get particles and stuff, which makes it more laggy because it makes clones. There's already light effects rotating around the cookie, yet there's also a shadow, so it's kind of weird. True. It shouldn't be making light and casting a shadow, but I think it can't. I think it looks alright. Okay, so let's get a cursor. We might have to add a save load feature. Well, someone in the chat asked, how long is this? 10 hours? I'm not going to do a 10-hour stream today, but like maybe I can do the rest of the 6 hours later. Okay, so we got 100 cookies now. We get a grandma. Oh, I need water. Okay, so okay, the cookie's also going over the upgrade button. Oh, golden cookie. Okay, so there's also music, which I took from C418. I bought the Cookie Clicker soundtrack. So the dude who made Minecraft, no. The dude who made Minecraft music, he's made the music for Cookie Clicker. So I bought the soundtrack and used it here. Okay, so upgrades 1,000 fingers. Don't think they'll be very good yet, because it's +0 1 cookies. Oh wait, need to edit that description. Okay, wait, no, I need to scroll down. It should be each cursor makes... Yeah. Okay, so I think, oh, golden cookie. That gave us a bunch of cookies. It was like a lucky one. We can buy a plain cookie. Also, the sound effect for buying stuff sounds bad. I think it should be... collect instead of... Because before it sounded negative, when really buying stuff should sound positive. Are you going to make it so it changes the cookie itself, or will it always be chocolate chip? The cookie upgrades will add... In Cookie Clicker, they add particles to the cookie when you click it. Like, that cookie there is going to be different. But they'll add a lot more costumes, so I'm not sure if it's worth it. So they just add extra cookies per second buffs. So it's 1% and all that sort of stuff. Also, I should probably just set lag mode to 1 and hide the variable. I got an ad. Yeah, YouTube does that. Okay. So it is... So I think everything's working for now. It is a little laggy, but we're getting cookies per second. It clicks, works. This isn't gonna be here. The, it's ignoring lag mode, those particles. Okay, so I need to just do something. So, the falling particles, if we don't have lag mode on, we will wait divided by like 100 or something. Wait, no, times 100 and create clone of myself. Or maybe I could do log. That makes this, what this does is every the more cookies per second you get, the more cookies will be in the background as particles. But you won't see those because I got a low detail, less lag mode. Oh, the music's a little too loud. Sorry. It might be a problem with my OBS. I'll set the volume to -10. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, something I want to do now is rename this to Shadow. Is a save load system, because Cookie Clicker is going to take a long time to play. You should make the cookie spin. Okay, I can do that. It just doesn't look good. I'll show you. Yeah. It doesn't. I might there's another effect I can do. It uses the sine block, so sine of timer times 100. There's a whole bit of math here. Makes it smooth, spin smoothly. If I can say that. Yeah, do you like, that? It spins back and forth. Instead of spinning, because the shine spins around 360, this effect will make it, like, just bob back and forth. The click sound is too loud. It's the right volume for when I put the music up. I, probably should... set volume to volume. Yeah, that should make it quieter. I just realized I clicked the green flag. That's why I need the save load system. Ah! Okay. Oh. I have my camera on something that I can kick and knock over. Yeah, you can probably yeah, okay. Okay, so save load. Okay, so I need a save code. Add to save. Okay, add to, so what this is going to do is, okay, start. We're gonna set our save code. Save code to nothing. We're going to add everything we want to a variable. Okay, so add to save cookies. And then what this thing has to do is just store that as a number. Store that. Are you going to make it top secret encryption? No, it's just going to be the numbers separated by like commas or something. So what we can do is set set save code to join save code and the value, and we'll add a bar. And then we can add... Oh, we need to figure out how to store lists. Add list to save list. Will this work? I'm not sure, because I need to add all the things you bought. Yeah, that's bad. Item. Okay, I'll just have to do a loop. So you can just drag and drop the list bubble in there, I think. Yeah, the thing with the list bubble is it doesn't have any separators. So either I have to make every building have a certain amount of digits, or I just loop through it and do something. So I think what I can... So I'm going to loop through every building we got, which is like all our upgrades, the buildings list is upgrades, cookies, and buildings for some reason. So everything you bought, we'll have to save that. So, set save code to join save code. Item 1 of buildings. This item IDX index. So we're just going to loop through it, add the thing, and then add a comma. And then we set that to join it with a pipe. Okay, the add to save thing's actually useless, but who cares? Set. So we got buildings, and I think another thing we need to save is the modifiers. Actually, we won't need that because that's calculated off buildings. I think all we need to do is save buildings and cookies at the moment. Honestly, I think that is. Or maybe frenzy timer. Okay, so start save needs to be a run without screen refresh block. Okay, so start save, we get a whole bunch of zeros. Good. Now we need to add that to a list. So we delete all of list of our save. Then we add our save code to this list, and you can copy paste from lists. That's why we're adding it to a list. We go like copy paste, copy this save code. Okay. And then so what we need to do is add a broadcast. So when I receive save, we need to get the code, add stuff to the list, wait until key any pressed, and then hide the list. We'll also need to show it as well. Save. Any key to exit. What about a high score? It's cookie clicker. Actually, like the most cookies you've ever clicked. Yeah, I probably should add some stats like that. Like total cookies clicked or something like that. But anyway, when we add broadcast save, yeah, we get our save code, which is just everything like that. There's no sort of encryption. I might add that later if I can figure out how. Okay, so saving is easy. Loading's a bit harder. So load, we have to ask. So you can paste stuff into an ask block. What is your save code? And now we ask for the save code. We get it from the answer block. We set save code to answer. And now we have to figure out how to process it so we can get the data, which is just a list of numbers, into something we can actually understand. I think we have to do if I think it's letter. Okay, so we'll have to. So we'll have to have a custom block so it runs quicker. Load and then data. This is all sort of technical stuff. Okay, so we do that. We get a loop, then we get length of. Okay, then we can set temp to letter index of data. We join that with temp. I think it has to be if else. Be aware that you can cheat by modifying the save code. I know. Yeah, you can. I might encrypt it. Don't know how to do that though. It's cookie clicker though. It doesn't matter if you cheat. If not a bar or a pipe, a pipe or a comma. I think there's a trick with this. Yes. Okay. So if it is a if it is that, we will Okay, I think we need to delete or load, add. Yeah, this could be totally wrong. Okay, so we need a I don't know if that will work. I have no clue what I'm doing right now. Okay, broadcast. So it's just all zeros in a list you can just edit. And now I have to hide the save list. Hide list. Wait. Save. Now we need to broadcast load. And then we paste it in. Didn't do anything. Oh, it didn't run it. Okay, so load answer. Okay, broadcast load. Got a bunch of empty garbage. Okay. Huh. That's a long code. So the load list, So what I'm trying to do is get everything into a list. So then we can hopefully use the things in the list. Okay, it's not scrolling properly. But everything in the list is empty. Which ain't good. Okay, so I think what I'm doing is wrong. Nice art for the shop button you got there. Oh, it sucks, I know. Oh. I set it to the empty value before I added it to the list. I was just adding empty stuff. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so... Oh, so why is it pipe and comma? Because so to save it, I separate each number by either a bar if it's a new value or a comma if it's a new value in a list. So I think we can. I think we might need another temp. I'm not explaining this very well because I don't really know what I'm doing myself. Oh dear. So if we get a comma, oh. So okay, so the bars are used as some sort of /n type thingy. Now it's kind of like I've got bars to separate each value because I could use spaces or like any other character. It's just the most convenient one. But I don't really know what I'm doing here. Egg. So I think I'll just do this for the moment. I think I might have to come back to this another day. I think I've been streaming cookie clicker stuff for too long. So save load. Wait. Yeah, so the load thing, it adds everything, but I'm not sure I'm going to read that back. So that's cookies. And then maybe I could do like... I could add something like buildings. And buildings. Okay, so I think that could work actually. Egg, why is so many eggs? Another day, you only have 5 hours. What? 5 hours is a long time. Okay, after load we can have... Can set cookies to item 1 of load. Then we can do the loop again. Okay, so we can repeat until... repeat until equals. So what I'm trying to do is loop end buildings. Item IDX. Chain. Replace item 1 of buildings with. Who knows if this is gonna work? I don't. So many eggs. Okay, so what I can do is save. Any key to exit. It's not really exiting with any key. Great. Then if I paste this in and load, there's no data in there yet, so I'm not sure if that's. Okay, let's do a test game. See if we save the cookies in a building. Okay, so I got 0.1 cookies per second. Now if we save, hide it, load. I think it worked. Wait. So if we... So if we've got 5 cookies and cursors cost 12. So save. Okay. Oh, that worked. Load. Paste. 5 cookies, cursors cost 12. Okay, I think we got a basic save load system. So, it's not very good. Me when I egg. So what I got here is some complicated code to save everything into something you can easily cheat with and load it back with probably some bugs, but I can't be bothered to test that right now. I think that's enough coding for today. We got 5.5 hours left of 10-hour cookie clicker. What we've got so far is a cookie. This is gonna lag so bad. We've got a cookie, we can click it. Wait. We had an effect, and I don't think it's there anymore. Wait, just give me a sec. Yeah, so we got a cookie. We can click it. It spins. It's got all these effects. It looks so cool. I disabled particles because they're too laggy. We got cookies. They look bad. I might improve them later. We got upgrades. Got buildings. We've got a save load system which might work. Who knows? We got pages. That's how many upgrades we got now. I said I was going to add your cookie ideas later, but nah. Not today. Look, we got pages of stuff. The UI looks... It looks... Okay, so that's Cookie Clicker's progress so far. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next stream where we're gonna finish it, I think. Hopefully.